First things first, we need to add the blog functionality to your Wix site. Log into your Wix account and navigate to your website's editor on the left-hand side menu. You'll see an Add Elements button. Click on that. A panel will open with various elements you can add. Scroll down or use the search bar, and you'll find the blog option. Click on it. Now you have a couple of choices. You can either choose a pre-designed blog layout or start with a blank blog for beginners. I recommend selecting a pre-designed layout as it gives you a great starting point. Drag and drop the blog element onto your desired page. You'll see a placeholder for your blog posts appear. With the blog added, it's time to start populating it with content. Click on your newly added blog element, and you'll see an option to manage posts or add new post. Let's click Add New Post. This is where your creativity shines. You'll see fields for your post title, where you can craft a compelling headline. Then comes the featured image, which is crucial for attracting readers. Upload a relevant and eye-catching image next. You have the main content area. This is where you'll write your blog post, share your knowledge, and engage your audience. Don't forget to utilize the settings section here. You can assign categories and tags to your posts, which helps with organization and discoverability. Crucially, make sure to optimize your post for SEO. Fill in the SEO title and description to help search engines understand what your blog post is about. Once you've finished writing and customizing your post, hit publish. Your blog post is now live on your Wix website, ready to be discovered. You can then go back to your blog manager to add more posts, edit existing ones, and even manage comments to foster a community around your content. Adding a blog to Wix is a powerful way to share your expertise, build brand authority, and drive traffic to your site. Start sharing your voice today.